Hello, my name is Alyssa Reyes, and today I will be describing the parts of homeostasis mechanisms and how they function. Every day, our bodies are working to keep all of our cells, organs, and tissues in check, and this is what we call homeostasis. Believe it or not, just laying down, sitting, or even texting, our bodies are working to maintain homeostasis. It's helping us maintain the balance in our bodies, from our brain to our blood. They all work together to stabilize our internal organs. To the right, I'm going to show a diagram/picture of an overview of what homeostasis is and some of the key organs that work in our favor. We have our hypothalamus, the kidneys, our blood, we have our skin, pancreas, and our skeletal muscles. Hypothalamus plays a big factor in regulating our temperature. Kidneys help maintain our water balance. Our blood also distributes heat throughout the body, but it also maintains a certain pH level range in order to survive in our body. Our skin has our sweat glands, and it helps the evaporation to maintain body temperature. Our pancreas regulates blood sugar, and skeletal muscles contract and release heat. In the next slide, we're going to be talking about what is homeostasis. Homeostasis is the maintenance of a consistent internal environment for our bodies. And it's not just a consistent one, it has to be a healthy and stable one. When learning about homeostasis in middle school, in order to remember this process is seeing our body as a home. Nobody wants to live in a home that isn't stable. So homeostasis is basically keeping our body stable, comfortable, and healthy. I'll be showing a picture of some of the three main components that we'll be talking about, which are the receptors, the control center, and the effectors. The receptors are always on the lookout. They are the first one who sense the signal and send it to the control center. Control center is the decision maker. They decide what action to be taken, and they are the ones who send it to the effectors, which are the results of the action being taken. So, one of the things that we're going to be talking about are the positive and negative feedbacks. This picture I have to the right is an example of a positive feedback. It's one of the things us women, our bodies do when getting ready for childbirth. It's a positive feedback because it's not always happening every day. So, what happens is when getting ready to deliver the kid, we need to release a hormone that smooths up our cervix to get wide and push the baby out. As you can see, it shows the receptors are activated in the uterus, which send signals to the brain to release this hormone. And this hormone is what contracts our muscles to contract and to widen up to be able to push the baby out. Some of the negative feedbacks is our body temperature. When shivering, when our body gets cold, we shiver. And it starts to regulate our body's temperature. This is an example of a negative feedback because it's always happening constantly, no matter what. So, at the end of this presentation, these are some of my resources I used, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.